Alright guys, we back down. Price is back down to $49.88. That's on pine. Of course it's not birch, guys, it's not birch. Some of you guys just believe in only birch. I understand, I like it too. But you know, this is for the budget builders, man. Budget, you know, I like to keep a budget anyway. Because this you know, it's a little more in reach sometimes, man. And this stuff to me, you know, especially when I mess with a enclosure, I tend to end up either selling it, throwing it away, or just some, you know, anything might happen, man. You know, if I got $1,500, $2,000 tied up in just wood alone, you know, one thing about it, you'll never get that much money back out of it. Or when it's time to get rid of it and sell it, you know, won't nobody really want it. You know, of course, not at the price that you'll want for it, because you have $2,000 in wood, and they're not including the labor and the other materials and the know-how and all of that stuff. You know, you want to calculate all of that. But like I say, that's for your budget builder right there, man. That pine, man, the price done came down a little bit. And of course, you know, I don't think they sell what is it called? I don't know what the stuff is called. I don't think it's called, is it 13 Baltic Birch, or I don't know what it's called. I'm not really familiar, but y'all leave it down in the comments below. Like I say, man, I'm not no expert at this, but I know I use the cheaper stuff myself. But maybe I'll give me some birch one of these days. But okay, there's some red oak right there, $93. I seen some birch in here one day. I don't think it's 13 ply, man. I got this music playing in the background, so we got to try to talk over there. Okay, they got the 3/4. That's it. It's birch plywood, $93. I don't think that's that other kind I've been seeing a lot of people use. I see like Grandpa do a lot of builds on Instagram and on Facebook. He gets like some, I don't know, like some 13 ply or something. I don't know. It look real fancy. I don't know. Well, I guess it's staying real good. I'm sure same kind of Bobby Gately and a whole lot of other builders use real high quality Baltic birch, whatever birch. I don't know. I guess a lot of it, but y'all know what I'm talking about. But of course, you got this other thinner stuff here. This right here, I guess it'll be good for some, but I'm not really for sure. But it ain't bad though. It looks pretty good, like it's $76 a sheet. But like I say, I'm gonna have to go ahead and probably try to cut this video down because this music like is starting to get a little louder. But anyway, for the MDF, it's $58.98. That's actually more than what they're charging down there, which is kind of crazy to me. But hell, it ain't like I don't sell it. So anyway, man, if y'all use MDF, I don't use MDF anymore because of this reason right here. That I don't like that. I mean, it's easy to shape it up and stuff like that, but I know if it get wet, it starts sweating up and all that. I don't really like that too much, but you know, each his own. You know, you make it work for however you got to do it. I don't knock you if you do. I'm not gonna sit there and say it sound different. I'm not gonna say it's gonna be better. I'm not gonna say nothing. It'll work for whatever you want to do. You know, if you're happy with it, you just got to do what you want to do and what you can do. But that's what it's really all about, man. Just staying in your budget and your means of doing it so you can keep on doing it. Because once you start overspending and stuff like that, and I'm sure you'll be in the hole, and you know, you really won't be able to enjoy this thing that we do. But like I said, that's MDF right there. That particle board right there, it just flake off. You know, yeah, some of y'all might know about that. It's $37 a sheet. I have seen somebody use it. I've never used it, but it reminds me of those boxes that you get from Walmart that you just glue together. I don't know how they go together, but they come in like a little box, hold like one little tin behind the truck box or something, behind the seat, I guess it goes. But it's definitely, man, one of the things that they used to sell in the store, but I don't know if they still do. But that stuff there is $43. But for around that price, man, you can just get that pine back there, and you'll be good to go. But like I said, be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Tell me about some of y'all builder, man, and what y'all use, and what the different type of birch wood is. So educate me a little bit so I'll know. Of course, y'all know the foam and stuff like that. Some of y'all use pour foam. I don't use any of it, but not yet. So y'all see all of that down in there. We're gonna go ahead and end this video because y'all done got a copyright strike. So I'm gonna have to put a little music with this. Be sure to like, subscribe. See y'all back on the next one.